Yay! Hello.
So I actually had a little bit of trouble finding your spot.
I just used my teleportation powers and it's just like, oh.
You guys don't know her already. Here's Jessie.
Hi.
Yep. Jessie and I are going to be making some tacos.
Yes. I am so ready. I am waiting for this. I'm like,
So let's talk about your cooking skills.
Let's talk about my incredible cooking skills. I have a grand total of, really, I'm trying not to flex too hard, but I have one bowl.
There's a bowl. And then this one knife.
My one knife.
So she's prepared and ready to go. Yeah.
Husband me up.
Yeah. Thankfully, what we're making today is actually really easy. You guys know me, I'm a lazy cook. This is mostly just putting things together. The only thing that we're going to make, you don't actually even usually have to make. So if you want to just skip this step and then just have corn tortillas that you buy, that's totally fine. But I want to teach you some skills, okay?
I need it.
So we're going to start off with making corn tortillas, and that sounds really intimidating.
It really does.
Right?
Yeah.
It's not, I swear. It's
Okay.
like so simple. So I actually want you to pour this. This is masa harina, so it's just corn that's been soaked in lime, and that helps to release the different B vitamins, niacin most specifically, so you get all the nutrients that you need from that rather than just, you know, corn flour. And you want to pour, let's do like a little mound. I'll tell you when to stop.
Alright, let me know. I'm like scared. What's a mound?
It's whatever you want it to be, but
Oh,
that's probably good right there.
perfect.
Yeah, the one measuring cup that we do have is filled with peanut butter. We just made some peanut butter cookies over on Jessie's channel. They're really good. You can check them out on her channel. I want you to add in the water as well, because I want you to learn. I'm not just gonna do this for you. I want you to learn. All right. Okay. So you want to just put it under. We're just going to lay it right here. Okay. So
Yay.
I want you to actually use your hand, because we have to like feel it. And
Oh my
sort of,
God.
like, you just like stir around.
Like this?
Yeah. So see how it's still pretty dry.
Someone give me a massage like that. It's like, it looks kind of like dry Play-Doh. Like moon
Yeah.
sand. Moon
Yeah.
sand. Oh, you just kind
Actually
of like
measure.
guesstimate.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes it's like the best. It adds personality.
And it's one more thing you have to clean. That's like, I'm a lazy cook. It's one more thing you have to clean.
I feel you with
So
that.
I'd rather just like eyeball it.
I think we might need more.
Look at you.
Yeah,
you're doing it. All right. So let's add a little bit more.
It's such a moment. Yay.
Do
Okay.
you feel it starting to like get clumpy?
Very like a little bit more like Play-Doh. Like I said, you're like definitely the right cooking.
Yeah,
term.
that's-
it's like you write that on your recipe.
Yeah,
Wait,
like-
wait for Play-Doh consistency.
Okay, so this is actually pretty good. So what I want you to do is press it down, like squeeze it in. So
Like
it gets
this?
more. Yes. So we want to squeeze it. Yeah, see? Look at that.
Oh my god, I love how I'm like too tall for it. Can we show this height difference? Thigh workout. Okay.
We've reached Play-Doh consistency.
Yay, the
Yep.
technical cooking term.
So for this, we're going to next put it into a tortilla press.
Yay.
Do you have one of these?
I have one bowl.
You've been in LA for how long now?
3 years.
Do you like Mexican food?
I'm not a big Mexican food person, surprisingly. I know. I haven't tried a lot of it.
So you're more Italian? I feel like it's one or the other.
In New Jersey, it was a lot of Italian food.
Yeah, but you're still going to love this better. So.
No, I'm the same. You better keep that in.
Okay. All right. So we have our tortilla press,
Yes.
and we have this parchment that lines with it so that it makes it so you don't stick. Okay. We're just going to fold it over, and I want you to press down with that. So flip that.
I'm so scared. Ah, do you see this hesitation?
Push down hard.
Is that it? Am I doing it?
Yeah, you got it. There you go. Yeah. Now flip it back.
It's kind of an ab workout.
It is. Yeah, because you have to like.
I better like
crunch.
turn into Thor after
Yeah.
this. Aww, my baby!
Isn't it beautiful?
Oh my god, I love that.
Okay, so we'll get a couple of these going, and then we'll throw them on.
Oh my god,
the
are they like
skillet.
cute little mini ones? Oh, you
Yeah.
throw them in the skillet. I feel like I'm like you're like my mom, and I'm like, am I allowed to do this? And then, you know what I mean?
But that looks perfect.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay. I feel like she might fall apart, or is she good?
No, because this will press it down. I'm not gonna touch it. You're gonna do it all.
I'm gonna do it all.
Yeah.
Okay.
There you go.
Oh my god, I'm so proud of myself. I feel like a superhero, like,
Avenging the kitchen.
I am the mighty Thor.
Look at that. That's like no edges.
Play some Beyonce.
You're already getting to be a better cook in one tortilla.
Hire me for bat mitzvahs.
All
They're
right.
good. They're safe.
Yeah, throw one in there. Just be
I'm
careful
gonna
not to
name
touch
them.
it.
This one's Zendaya, and then the other one's Tom.
Oh, and they're kissing.
Me forcing my ships on other people. Oh my god,
Okay.
she goes fast.
Yeah, that was up really high. That's a little burnt. Actually, but that's like, you know, traditional too.
Oh, really?
Ish. So we did burn the first one a little bit.
I like take my Avengers job all too seriously.
Yeah. Yeah, that's exactly what I was talking about too for cooking. It's like, you're gonna mess up a couple of times. And I think that's actually like really good for life.
Aww.
You know what I mean? Like, you're never gonna get something right the first time and there shouldn't be stress on that.
Yeah. Well, we're doing like a grocery shopping segment. I'm actually like so curious to see like if I save money grocery shopping. I'm sure grocery shopping list is eating out, like how much I save.
How often do you go out to eat?
I only eat out. Basically, except for like very basic things like smoothies and.
Well, that's actually pretty good because you know there's a lot of smoothie places in LA and they charge so much.
Like $12, and I'm like
only $12 here because it's like $16. Yeah. What are some of your favorite foods?
Favorite foods? I love peanut butter.
Yeah.
Like so much. I love
the Italian.
I'm telling you, like garlic knots. Oh my god, I could, you know, a good garlic knot will make me feel things.
So I'm assuming that you just love garlic, right?
Yeah. It looks like it's getting like
smoky.
I'm like kind of scared. I'm scared.
It's not gonna like catch on fire. It's just from the water.
Should I open a window?
That's probably a good idea.
Oh my god, I'm scared. There
it goes. Have you ever used that thing before?
No.
Fan when you're cooking something that will give off heat like this, and if you don't have ventilation, yeah, that'll make it. It's right here.
Oh my god, I also have Pokemon plates.
Okay, let's start with our base.
Cool.
So we have a bunch of things here. Do you have a fork?
I got you.
Look, I even see some other measuring cups in there.
Oh my god, there's hope.
I'm hungry.
When you do your intermittent fasting, do you do it so you don't eat in the morning?
Yeah, and it's actually easiest that way because in the morning you have naturally higher levels of cortisol. That's a stress hormone. And that means that it's actually going to give you a little bit more energy, and so you don't need to eat necessarily in the morning.
Oh.
Like, have you ever noticed that in the morning you don't necessarily feel hungry?
Yeah. No.
Let's do our toppings now.
Yes.
Okay, I have a lot of toppings here.
It's like a taco ice cream sundae.
So I have purple cabbage. I have radishes. I
love radishes.
These are pickled red onions.
They're so
also
pretty.
so super easy to make. So I want you to put some toppings on. But you're not a hot sauce fan.
No, I can't eat the spice.
So Jessie, you want to talk a little bit about like how you came across nutrition?
Yes. I started to get into nutrition because at first it was with the wrong mindset, I would say, but basically, so I knew nothing about nutrition. Like I remember I had a nutrition test and I couldn't name 3 sources of protein. I was 16 years old.
Like, was it fill in the blank?
Probably, but like bread. Probably, but like Subway. Yeah, so I started to get into it because my mom had breast cancer, and it was kind of like my way of coping. Like I never talked to anyone about it, and it was like my way of feeling like I was controlling the situation more. But it got very unhealthy because like it was a little too obsessive. Then it got even more disordered in another way, which I talked about on my channel recently.
Yeah, and if you guys definitely like experience that, I highly recommend that you check out that video.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Just like seeing how it affected other people, and you sometimes when you're really struggling and you don't open up, like you feel so alone in your struggle, but it made me realize how many people do struggle with it, or people were like, oh my god, I struggled with this a year ago and I recovered, and like hearing about people's success stories also was like super motivating. So I was like, hopefully that'll also, you know, the same way it helped me, like it'll also type of thing. So I was gonna donate all the ad money to different eating disorder
I saw that
related like charities, but they demonetized me in seconds because I used the word anorexic.
What?
Yes.
I didn't know that.
Which I think is ridiculous. Educating on an eating disorder isn't worthy of being monetized. Like that's crazy. It's like it's coined as this negative word that's like used against people when really it's just like a medical term, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Actually, I've never talked about that online or anything.
Sorry, sidetrack.
I don't know how to cut an avocado.
You like do little lines this way, and then you do little lines this way, and see how it makes those little cubes? So it's like little bite-sized pieces, and then you just scoop around the edge like that.
Damn. I can also, can I use my fingers? Oh my God, yes.
Of course, please.
I can like take some of her and put her here.
Yeah.
I want her to close and look aesthetic for your photos.
Yeah.
I know you, girl. I know your story.
I'm gonna put hot sauce on. You don't need to. It's okay.
I'll watch and not understand how you can do it. When I was little, let's take a thing of wasabi and just was like, what's this?
This is actually my boyfriend's uncle's hot sauce, and it's like the only one I like to eat now.
Did you just like take it from his house? You're like, bye-bye. I didn't hear anything.
Mine literally turns out to be like a salad. Like, can you even see the tortillas underneath?
I love a pumpkin seed.
Add them all.
Oh my god, they'd be cute.
Oh my gosh, smell it. Like,
I feel so funny with this Pokemon plate. Like, everything is 10 times funnier. I'm not a big, like, citrus lime type of person. Like, oh my god, if you put, like, lemon on something, I can taste it immediately, and I'm like,
well, then I'll take your lime.
I love radishes. I like just.
That's funny, because they're kind of spicy, so.
Really?
Yeah, so I'm surprised that you like them, because they're a little spicy. So, when you go out to eat, you put your hair back in order to.
Yes, I feel gross. I use my bracelet.
Well, I'll get food in my hair. And this is the only way I can eat. My boyfriend's mom loves going to like those really fancy restaurants. We'll go and it's like these 15-course meals and like we're all dressed up nice and then I'll be like, hang on. And like,
oh my god. Do you wrap it?
Does she kinda,
do you just kind of like go like this?
Yeah, however you can eat it. Like I'll hold it like this.
Oh, that's not gonna work for me.
You're definitely, that's why putting your hair back is extra important.
It's so good.
It's the best date food too.
Good really, conversation.
The whole time you're just like this. This is my favorite meal. Like honestly,
really?
All this stuff you can just pretty much always have. You could totally make this here. All you need is a couple fresh vegetables. I really loaded them up because I like to have a lot of toppings, but you don't need that. You know, are you a salsa person?
Kind of. I'm not a big tomato person, you feel?
I'm not either, actually.
Right? Like, they're like, it takes a certain human, like, a certain personality. It determines whether or not I date someone. Do you have a tomato personality or do you have a radish?
That's gonna be like a BuzzFeed quiz now. So do you feel like you learned some cooking skills today?
I'm gonna be a wife.
She's a chef now. Just come over to her house anytime, she'll cook you some meals. What is that? Oh, there's the food.
I kind of want to try the burnt one.
Try it.
How do you eat this? So you're doing such a good job.
That's what I do. It's like you have to accept the fact that it's going to be all over the place before you eat tacos.
Ah, gotcha, gotcha.
You just really can't go wrong with at least having real food. While I'm speaking, I'm like, I know I have cilantro on my teeth.
It's okay. It makes us relatable.
If you're interested in this type of topic, I have the protein bar video that goes over how, you know, protein bars actually are kind of sketchy and it's not something that you want to be relying on. It's really not real food. We literally had like a whole conversation on this just now.
I feel like honestly a lot of foods where you don't know the calorie count, that's when they're healthier, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Food isn't meant to be a number, food's meant to be food.
That's
high five!
That's literally like my mission and my passion. That
I've never said that. That was you talking to influence that. How do you feel?
No, I'm like, I feel really good right now. Because I had a friend, this is crazy. I had a friend who he was trying to lose weight and he was really stuck on this idea of counting calories, you know? And he's really focused on the number. He was like, no, I can't have avocado because it's too high in calories, like that type of thing. He said to me, like, and I quote, I only see food as numbers now.
No.
You get enjoyment from that. I mean, food is supposed to be cultural too. We're supposed to see food and have it be something that's part of our lifestyles. We were talking about Mexican food, Italian food, like that is part of culture and it's part of happiness. And
protein bars aren't part of culture.
Protein bars aren't part of culture, maybe American culture, but that's something maybe we want to push out. I love that you just said that food is not just a number because that's exactly what we're trying to get across here. So thank you. Thank you. Yeah. And we also did a video over on Jessie's channel, so you can check that out. To make these recipes also, I'll link down below, but it's from the Level Up Guide, the 21-day intermittent fasting program. Super simple. It's all about just making good food and feeling good about it.
She's the best. Y'all better support her with your whole heart and soul. No pressure. With your whole heart and soul.
On that note, guys, thank you so much for making these tacos with us. We're gonna go smash these.
Yay, thank you.